Great place but unfortunately is closed now and likely will reopen. I'll be back. Nice and quaint and quiet. Just what I like. Staff was nice and helpful. Convenient location for what we were there for. Perfect little spot. I love this hotel. The location is fantastic and the rooms are adorable. It's exactly the sort of cozy place that feels like home for the time you are there. Amazing and quaint Midtown historical boutique hotel. Experience was so unique and appreciated in a time of the franchise hotel. Artmore sets itself apart as one of the most unique hotels I have visited in a long time, and it was such a pleasant change. Everything was top-notch staff, courtyard, convenience to everything else. Enjoyed myself, will be back. Exceptional grade for a young black professional in ATL. Traveling solo can suck but the neighborhood good and safe right off the train. Hotel with character. Great hotel. Very pretty with a nice courtyard. Looks so nice to see trees in downtown. This hotel has a lot of character. Staff was really nice. Great stay, great hotel, low-key in a good way, everything was clean and staff was very friendly. Artmore is more than art, great stay at the Artmore. Staff was super friendly and I had a great time. Convenient, clean, cute. This hotel is right across from Arts Center Marta, so it's very easy to get to, especially from the airport. The High Museum is a 5-minute walk, as are plenty of restaurants and other sites. My deluxe queen room was small but clean and had a very comfy bed and was nice and quiet. Charming courtyard to hang out in with lots of shade, and very nice staff. It's always about charm and location at Artmore, located in the center of Midtown. You are never far from anything. Pros: location, location, location. Charm and quirkiness. The city view at night. Easy valet history of the hotel room size, a maxing courtyard, centralized DoorDash delivery for late night cravings, eclectic mix of clientele. Great hotel is clean and nice. Great location. Will def be staying here again.